Hey everyone, today I'm doing a giveaway for the Solana Gas Fee of NodePay coins. Also, I will teach you in this video how you can claim NodePay Airdrop coins. So let's start the video. Before that, I will guide you through the rules of the gas fee giveaway. First step, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second step, open your Telegram app, search for my username, Airdrop Hunter, and join this channel. Comment your Telegram username to let me contact you. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join the Telegram channel, and comment your Telegram username. The rules are very simple. I will randomly pick users for the gas fee giveaway. If you are eligible but have not subscribed to my channel, you will be disqualified. So make sure to complete these simple tasks. Let's start the video. First, open the NodePay Airdrop website, and at the top of the header section, you will see the pre-launch claim button. Tap on it. It will open in a new tab. Next, you need to connect your Phantom wallet. After that, you will be eligible to claim the airdrop. If you have an OKX account, you can claim NodePay coins there. You don't need to pay any gas fees on OKX. However, in many countries, OKX is banned, so you will need to pay a gas fee to claim NodePay coins using your Phantom wallet. The claiming section for Phantom Wallet opens on 17th January at 10 UTC. If you miss the 45-day claim window, you will lose this airdrop, so make sure to claim it as soon as possible. That's all for this video. If you want gas fees for NodePay, join my giveaway. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.